It's important to understand that you can do 3 different types of email marketing activities in Keap and the differences between them. Most people are familiar with broadcast email, or what you may refer to as an e-blast. But in Keap, you can also do email automation and personal email. A broadcast email is a single communication to an entire list. It's not very personal, though you can personalize aspects of it to the contact by including their first name or a handful of other mergeable fields. Email automation is a way of creating emails that reach the right person with the right message at just the right time. For example, you may write a series of emails to welcome new subscribers to your email list. Then when someone subscribes, she immediately receives an email thanking her for subscribing. That email may include some brand information or make a special offer. Then perhaps 8 days later, she receives a second email automatically with more brand information or possibly a link to set up a consultation. 10 days later, another email may be sent that explores your service offering. Your Keap system will never forget to follow up with a lead or a customer. You write the series of emails, put them in Keap, and the rest takes care of itself. Personal email is just that. Keap will integrate with your Gmail or Outlook email, so you can initiate an email from right within Keap. The big advantage of using Keap for personal email with your customers is that you can create and store copy templates in Keap for all those things you type over and over again, and you can insert those templates at the click of a button. Broadcast email is the least personal type of email communication and the most associated with advertising. It can be very useful for a one-time communication that isn't expected to be personal, like the announcement of a sale or a webinar. But you want to use it thoughtfully so you don't wear out your welcome. Email automation is the most efficient of the email types. It allows you to ensure all your follow-ups are done in a timely manner. Done correctly, it automates the work of coaxing a lead through the sales funnel. If you use your customer journeys to guide the development of your email automations, they can be incredibly effective. Personal email is, well, the most personal of the email types. But even here, Keap has tools to make your personal email communications much more efficient. So there you have it, the 3 email types. And now you know what the differences are. Let's begin exploring them in greater detail. To create your email broadcast, you start by going to the Comms tab, which is on the left side menu, right here. And then you'll see the new menu opens up and you can select Email Broadcasts. This is a test system, so you're seeing a lot of never sent emails, but in your system, you will see previously sent emails and some basic stats about those emails. But to begin a new email, let's just click Create Email Broadcast. I'm not going to take you through the whole design process in this video. Today, we're just focusing on how to load and send an email broadcast. So let's just pick a template. You'll see the email loads up, and you can look at it in both desktop and mobile view, and I strongly recommend you proof in both views just to make sure that the email is going to send the way you expect it to. So we're assuming here you've done your design and you're just proofing. Once your design is all done and you're comfortable with it, then the next step is to click Send. And in this Send panel, you'll set up your important sending details. In the From row, if you have a sales organization where all of your contacts are assigned to a particular salesperson, then you can choose From Contacts Owner. But if the contact owner across your system is assigned to the manager of the system, you may not want to pick this one. Then you want to pick the name of the person within the system that you want all of the emails to come from. And that will be different for every system, so it's hard to demonstrate that from here. But you'll need a user in the system whose name and email address are suitable for sending your broadcast emails from. Next, you're going to go to this To section, and you can add your contacts by lists or tags. So let's say we're just going to send to direct to customer there. We have a tag DTC. Now you can, and it will show you how many people are in that list that are available to send. You can also send to multiple tags for one send. So you could do, say this was suitable for both B2B and D2C, which is unlikely, but that just gives you an example of how you can send to multiple tags. Your subject line is very, very important. It will make the difference between whether your email is opened or not. I like personalizing subject lines whenever you can. And if you've done a good job of collecting your contacts' information, then you could have the first name. So it would end up reading, Mary, we've missed you at our brand. Preview text is just going to be a little bit of text that will show only in some email systems that gives a bit deeper information about what the email is all about. For instance, the next thing you want to do is send a test to make sure that the email looks the way you want it to and to test all the links in the email. So you can send your broadcast to anyone in your team. And finally, you hit send. You can either send it right now or you can schedule it for a different time. And you can schedule it to go all at the same time or to arrive in all of your contacts' email boxes at a specific time in their time zone. And that's all you have to do. Next, you would send the broadcast and watch your stats to see how you did.